My people, wahala no dey finish. Another one don still happen again. Make una invite una friend, make una come hear confession of you. You don come out, come confess to a mother. My people, they say wonder shall never end. Things dey happen for this life. They say small pikin, when e be say e dey always dey point finger to one place. Remember, always focus for that area. Know say things dey wey be say e dey see. Things dey wey be say that person dey see or that pikin dey see wey dey make am dey cry so cry. This one come make me know say you Edochie, wetin be say you and your father know. Na now una wan let us know. My correct people, before I further, make I quick throw away my salute, give my amazing people, my wonderful people. I greet una according to una location and where una the time wey una will take see this video. My people, share this video. You Edochie, you know, and this thing dey happen. Im mother call am say, my son, the way things dey happen now, e no come good again o. This name, your matter don drag everybody enter more. So wetin dey happen? E get wetin be say you wan let me know. You know, last born na they still dey look as baby. You understand? Im mother try to make sure say e bring am in, pet am so that make e open mouth. E say wetin e come let im mother know say, my people, e say for the Judy Austin, e no get problem. He believe say nothing still dey happen. Say for him, e no get problem. People dey say na him kpai him own son. Say the thing dey make am dey go gaga. You understand? Okay, him mother come say, okay, what about Judy Austin? Nobody like am for the family. He said there is no way he go take leave Judy Austin. Say no way. Come reconcile. Both of them, they are made to stay together. All those one what we dey do, na sense we go take dey do am. This guy not ready. Whether na kaya matter o, whether na real love o, me I never know. So yeah, a mother come dey talk to am say, my son, the everywhere dey check because of una. Family, community to community, your father dey go dey answer matter because of you. He say he know, but the only thing when he be say he want do, he go beg me make forgive am, make he accept am and Judy Austin. Now him mother tell am say for him, he no go fit accept Judy Austin, no tell anything like am. Na him tell you make you marry me. When you carry am come the first day, it's okay. Now this one good, just marry this one. In dey between na to make sure say he fix the marriage, make marriage dey work. So in na the person wey be say he make that marriage work. Anything wey be say e dey happen between una, he must dey aware. He stand as a mother, she stand as a mother to me. So nothing go fit hurt me as far as say this family is concerned. So a mother just talk in own constantly. Now tell me about this ghost here. Now he come open mouth o. He say according to the reliable source, I still meet am for social media. Now it's okay, make I still talk my own, make my people see. Now media for dey see everything. He say him and his father, Pet Edochie, belong to one occultic group. My people, when he tell this one, everybody shock. Say both of them, now one thing they know. Una know, and they always dey talk am. Say Pet and his son, now one thing they know. One rope, now both of them they draw. You understand? So say na to promote their business. No, you get the one promoter, they come say, okay, now anything when be say he dear or the thing when be say he treasure rich or anything when be say he like or the thing like now they want take as a their own take perform the ritual their own. he understand, say, he no know, say, he go, say, go take in his own life, in your picking life. You understand, say, that can't be, say, because Kabi no go fit stay without innocent. Even though if in the Lagos, go outside, come around one, if never enter house, Kabi Chuku no go enter house, go the wait for palo. Go the wait and say that now that one they go take. Say that is why everything your collapse for him mind. He don't know what to do. He not be human being again. As he open up to his mother according to social media people. So my mother say, me, man, wey both of the guys that day, he still belong to society. Now she wants to leave marriage. She not go fit follow up with pet Edochie again. You know, see wetin dey happen where old people say they want to leave marriage. Wetin you want use young people? This thing come tire me say, abi, this thing na truth or lie? This one na true confession. I say I never know until I see about 3 people blogger. Now I say, hey, meaning this thing na true then. Now I say make I still carry am come tell my people, say, see wetin dey play o. See wetin dey play. You Edochie don open mouth give me him mother say he get hand for wetin be say e happen to his son. Because and if the thing come, not be intentional, na him take come say they not tell am say na so you want to comot. They just say wetin be say e dey there literal. Na they want take. In the think say maybe another thing dey wey they go take. You know say like one of the children they want take. Say the thing is penal. So my people, if not truth, who I first talk and say anybody when they take by sword, you must follow that sword. Now not two ways about her. If you know say you get hand for your ROIP of your son, my dear, that goes to una dey see. Una never start to dey see am. You and your father, una never start to dey see am. Can you imagine your own son? Wetin you come dey suffer for? All the name wey you want make, all the money wey you want make, which because of people who you want come because of our maker. Now you don't start. Tomorrow they go say bring another one. All the money, the name, promotion. Why you want come get her when children not dey? Your home not settled. The thing weak me, if not true, you Edochie, na here you end your career. Na here you end your career. If not truth. Because not be waiting people go hear for ear at all. Not be waiting person 1 year for ear. So me gonna share this video. May it go viral. May people still hear the true confession of you, Edochie. So we go still put our ear for ground. But we still dey listen for what we say it dey happen. Many people dey wey dey enter this court, take dey protect the family. Your children, your wife supposed to be your first priority. Now you begin to use them till they take power. Tomorrow you want to renew on your children. May, if you dey serve God, go dey serve am well. Go dey serve am because temptation dey. So my people, make una put una comment for comment section. Anything we wanna think concerning this video. As I jam am, now I take carry am come. If not true, say wetin be say I hear na truth. You no go to go well with you Edochie. For you to even take the life of your son, your own son. I not call you a concept first son or not first son. All are the same. But if you get hand, my dear, prepare. Just prepare your own. And you go Lagos because of this thing. They don't allow you enter house to take wetin native doctor say make you carry come. You begin to go Lagos and then they go this thing just to fulfill your waiting native doctor say make you carry come. So that make the ghost not dey worry you again. You never start. So my people, now the news really enter on hand be this. Thank you all for watching. See you all